Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about how to animation change in binding value. How to animation change in binding value. Shift by two-way bindings. Let us object the state of our program and we can respond to that by adjusting our view hierarchy. So first of all, we're going to create on this example and check on this consider binding way example. So command N, which has shift to view binding animation. Binding animation example. We're gonna shift UI view and we're gonna get on this state property, state private var, which is toggle. Is toggle we can set on this is toggle properties and is toggle and is equal to initial property is false. Okay, and we're gonna create on this v stack. Suppose we're gonna create on this v stack and we're gonna create on this stack and we're gonna create on this toggle. Suppose this in this toggle we're gonna create on this toggle and we're gonna assign this toggle property press in this press toggle and we're gonna press toggle and this is on. We can tap on this on property, bind on this our create on this dollar, bind on this our property is toggle. This toggle we can set on this toggle is bind on this property. So it's toggle and we're gonna apply on this linear animation dot animation. You can assign dot animation and animation you can assign the dot linear and do near. So this is linear animation. We can which have durations with 3 seconds and which have we're gonna create on this 3 seconds and we're gonna create on this lambda in this toggle, but is we're gonna apply on this setting but it's not apply on this lambda and we're gonna create on this condition. So if we're gonna assign this if is toggle, otherwise in this condition is true. So we're gonna create on this image and we're gonna create on this image. We're gonna assign this image name abc. We're gonna apply on this dot resizable. We're gonna apply on this dot frame and which have we're gonna apply on the dot frame. This is 200 width and which have apply on this 200 height. Remove on this alignment. We're gonna apply on the dot corner radius. So this is 100 on this corner radius. Okay, and we're gonna apply on our v stack in this padding. We're gonna apply our v stack in this padding dot padding. We're gonna resume on this application. So this is a two-way binding and toggle and image in this binding. Toggle image binding. This is a press toggle and on this toggle. 3 seconds in the upper in this case in this 3 seconds on this image and we can off on this toggle. So this is image is hide and lower case in this toggle. So this is 3 seconds, but suppose this is we can apply on this 0. We can not apply on this setting toggle and toggle and toggle. Suppose which have in this 1 second and 1 second apply on this animation. So in this binding in this animation of a toggle and image, binding in this animation of a toggle and image. Suppose which have on this buttons and UI related designs. So thank you for watching this video. You can use of enjoy binding animation in SwiftUI.